What's up, everybody? So back again on a blue truck, and we're gonna try to change the throttle position sensor on it. So I don't know if it's gonna work, but this is our last thing that we can try to get this engine running right. So let's get on it. All right, kind of the same routine as everything else, but unhook that, unhook our PCB hose there. Set these off the side. We're gonna pull this off. Pull our filter out of there. There's a clip here on the inside. Comes out. Then you pull your map sensor, and this should just come right off. Reattach our hose here so we don't lose it. Filter, top cover, rubber screws. So I've never changed one of these. But we got a little connector down here. I pull that off. And then we got our fuel line, return line. Don't think we need to take any of that off as long as we're careful. I think last time, when we did the IEC, that was a T20. Yeah, these are gonna be right in the way, aren't they? I think they're 25. They definitely feel like it. They feel bigger than the 20. Okay, so they are 225. We are going to try to get this out. So I didn't have the right tools, but I have this bit here, and I have a 1/4 inch wrench. So here. There you go, got that one loose. Now the top one I'm sure is gonna be like right in the way. Probably like my hands from your point of view. I have a bad feeling about this. Yep, that was my bad feelings. Broke her off. It's not good. Okay, so when you hit the throttle here, that blade turns. In return, turns this, it's a potentiometer, and then that goes back to the computer. So looks like we're going to be putting one bolt in it because it broke off, so it should be like a stud, and hold it pretty tight though. So here's our old one. Here is our new one. So I want to look, see what the, alright, so they look about the same. We're gonna turn that just a little bit because it's kind of spring loaded. We're gonna grab some lube. Now I'm really hoping that this stays pretty tight, because I don't know how much, with that one being broke, that this is gonna move. So might end up having to put new throttle body on it, which is, if we gotta put new throttle body on it, we might as well just leave it where it's at. Unless Jarrett's got one, which he probably does. Alright. In here. Alright, we'll make sure this is tight, but we don't want to be too tight, you know, because it's plastic. Yeah, it looks like it moves just a little bit. But I guess we'll have to see. So anyway, when you hit the gas, the butterfly down there opens, and then this tells the computer how much that's actually open, and that's all it's measuring. I'll plug that back in. This I usually just kind of stick down here out of the way. Alright, set that down. Stick our hose on. Pull our clip. Put that in there. Filter. Vacuum line. That should be everything. Now all we need is test drive. Alright y'all, so thanks for tuning in on this one. Try to get some more videos out here pretty soon, but catch you guys on the next one.